Hi guys, so I recently discovered something called content creation paralysis. If you have ever told yourself in time past that you would like to start creating content, maybe this year or in years back, and you still haven't till now, then likely this problem is something I believe face most beginners. You might have content creation paralysis. Let me try and explain what content creation paralysis is. So basically, content creation paralysis happens when beginners procrastinate on things like thinking they are not good enough. They believe they don't have the best script or knowledge on how to start, or they don't have the best gear to start with. I feel like this is one of the worst and most dangerous things to happen to beginners in the content creation industry, and it's something I myself have faced in time past. Why does this happen? I will use myself an example so that you can understand what content creation paralysis is. Number one, perfectionism. I felt like everything has to be perfect. The script has to be perfect. I have to have the best this, the best that. I wanted everything to be perfect. The idea should be perfect. Kept rewriting scripts and everything. At the end of the day, you realize that you keep fine touching everything, and you come out with nothing. You have done nothing. The next thing is the fear of judgment. I started thinking, how what if what if that one sees this video? Oh, what if my friends, my neighbor, what if all of them get to see this video? How will they judge me? And along the line I forgot that I am supposed to create content for people that need my content, not for people that do not care about it. Your judgment is not supposed to matter to me. It is the value I'm giving out that is supposed to matter to me. Information overload. In the quest to know everything before I start, I realized that you get so much information overload that you're always learning, always consuming, but you are never executing any plan. You're always on, oh, let me learn this, let me learn that, but you never execute. Fourthly, gear obsession. Currently, I'm shooting this with my phone, but there was a time I was so scared. Like, if I don't have the best iPhone, the latest iPhone, and if I don't have the best equipment, this camera, lens, and everything, maybe I shouldn't start. Look at this one, Mr. Beast, that. And then you realize that you get so obsessed, and new gears come and go. You still don't have the money to buy them, but you're still stuck because you haven't created nothing. You haven't created anything. What are the effects of this kind of mindset on beginners? As a beginner, you come to realize that along the line, number one, you lose momentum. I have been saying I will start for about 6 to 7 years now, and new people are coming out every time. This one is coming out with this idea, that one is coming out with that idea, and I realize that I just get stuck on thinking, what next? What next? What next? What's the latest this? What's the latest that? But I have lost and stalled my progress for a very long time. In the name of, oh, I can't do this, I can't achieve that, I can't achieve that. This comparison trap. Number two, with always trying to, oh, look at, yes, it's a good thing to look at people in your space, how they are doing, how they are achieving the things they are achieving. But if you do it too much, it becomes a trap, it becomes a gel, a mind gel, rather than something that is supposed to help you move ahead. Burnout before you even start, that's another thing. You get burnout because you're always comparing yourself, you're always learning things that whether they are necessary or unnecessary. You're always looking at the next big thing, what's this, what's that, and you realize that you haven't done nothing. At the end of the day, you're already burnt out mentally and physically. I've been there, and that is why I'm making this video right now. As a person, if you notice, I'm looking down and reading from a script. I have this issue with concentrating and just reading directly or remembering a whole lot of things. But I realized that I have used this as an excuse for a very long time, that it has held me back from actually making a video at all. So I told myself, anyhow it's going to be, this video it has to come out. Lastly, miss opportunities. Trends come and go. Trends come and go. And you might see a trend that maybe you had an idea on how to execute it, but due to fear of, oh, maybe I don't have the best this, the best that, algorithm have moved on. Another person have done it and people have moved on. By the time you are now ready to do it yourself, the trend is gone. It's no more this, no more relevant. People don't no more want to watch that. They are moving on to the next big thing. This is how content creation paralysis affects you as a person. Okay, so how do you break free from content creation paralysis? I'm going to share with you how I'm planning on breaking free, and I believe every content creator, especially beginner, can use this and break free. Number one, I believe you should start ugly. Your first video is not going to be the best. Check out Mr. B's first video. Check out, I don't know, some of your most favorite or people you would like to call mentors in the content creation field or whatever you're creating. You realize that they have done a lot, but in the beginning their work was not the best. And if you don't start, you will never get ahead. You will never know what to correct. Start ugly. Start with the camera phone you have, it's good enough. Start with the microphone you have, it's good enough. Even if you don't have a mic, you want to use the phone, it's the value that you pass that matters. Number two, set micro goals. Stop waiting to write a 20-minute script. Try writing a 30-second script. Just do an introductory video. It's all about the value you deliver at first. Start small. Just on your phone camera and record something every day for 30 days. Look at the things you are doing and see how you can improve on them. That's how you start. Micro goals. Set micro goals. Limit your research. We spoke about information overload. Too much information can paralyze you. I'm not saying it's bad to do a research before you, because you want to give the best. You want to make the best video so that at least you give the best value. Yes, I know. But if you're too stuck on trying to make sure that everything is perfect, you realize at the end of the day, you create nothing. So limit the research. Do a little bit of research. At least 48 hours is enough to get enough research. Read thoroughly on what you have researched on already and make a video. Let's start from there. People might come to correct you in the comment section. You learn, you grow, you make more videos. This can even become a content series idea for you from there while you grow. A lot of big channels right now started like that, and that is how you can start. Finally, publish fast and improve later. If you really wait to say let everything be picture perfect before you start, you will take a long time in this industry before you do something. I'm talking to myself. This video is kind of like my introductory video into this channel. I saw a quote that I really love to share. It says, remember, imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. Someone that takes a step a day is better than someone that says they are waiting for a plane that they don't know when it might arrive or which airport it might actually arrive. Before you know, you will get there. Improve, learn, and grow. Do not stop. Hopefully someone will find this video. Hopefully this video will be helpful to someone. But I'm very sure that by the end of this year, there will be an improvement in the way I present my script, in the way I talk, in the way I give out my content. I have a lot I want to do. Content creation is my dream, and I know that just like me, it's a lot of people's dream. Don't stop because of fear of what people might say. Oh, you don't have the best gadget, this and that. You don't need all that. You don't need the brand new camera. You don't need the best microphone. You don't need headlight. I'm currently using the light from my window. You don't have tripod, it's fine. Keep it somewhere. Let it be there. Record yourself. Use your front camera. Just that it's about the value you deliver. Let's make a pact that before the end of this year or the first half of 2026, we will deliver at least 50 videos and see where we go from there. This channel is all about how to build your content creation journey, how to do one or two things in tech. I'll be showing beginners how to where to find the cheapest technologies to use in creating content and how to use them. You're welcome. My name is Emmanuel Enshaw. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.